Cousins, why did this wig eat down like this though? I mean, I was expecting it. You know, you expect something, but to what degree? I mean, just take a gander at this wig. Look at it. Ain't got to sit up here, a lot of y'all. Let me give you the details that you need because we fly out here. What's going on, cousins? What's going on, subscribers? Hey there now, channel members, how the heck are ya? So here's the thing, I have to immediately get into these deets. That's how excited I am about this wig, y'all. This is Sensationnel's Bare Lace Full Lace Wig Unit 5. Now, this is a human hair blend. Huh? Turn to your neighbor and say, blend-tabulous, fabulous, okay? That means it's a little bit of this and a little bit of that. You do with that information what you will, okay? Now, there are so many attributes to this wig, y'all. I just can't. First of all, okay, it's called bare lace because the lace is very thin, okay? And they're using smaller knots. So what that means for you is that you're going to have a beautiful skin melt. Now, does that mean you will not see lace? No, because it is lace. That's it. That's all. But it's going to look as natural as a synthetic human hair wig blend with lace is going to look, period. Okay? That means they are trying to make 100, okay? We know 99.5 won't do, but they trying, okay? They are trying. It is tear resistant fiber. You know how sometimes lace can be so thin to win that it can't make it in because the lace cannot take it to the place. This is tear resistant, big baby. So the lace is thin, but it's not going anywhere. You're not going to tear it up, okay? You're not going to tear it up, so don't worry. Now, let me just get into a little bit about what I really, really like about this wig outside of the lace. I wanted to touch on that first because it's a bare lace wig. Now, Sensationnel has it's levels to it, y'all. I need you to know that. They have the bare lace, like lace frontal sort of wigs, and then they have the bare lace full lace wig. People don't know that. This is a full lace wig, y'all, for $55. Now, I have color one. I've just been there with the jet black. The jet black has just been doing me, and I am just in that season, big baby. I'm just there, okay? And I also want to mention that when I do certain things, you may not have to do it, okay? Like tinting the lace, you may be okay to be able to just plop it on and go, okay? But baby, the way my coffee olay is set up, generally I have to tint the lace. And it's just a matter of taking the exact match of foundation, my exact match, and just, you know, swiping it on there a little bit. That's it. You know, you can spray it down. You can do all the things. Sometimes I'm just in a hurry and I don't feel like it. Now, this install is going to be glueless, okay? The mousse that you just saw me put on the edges, that's just you know, kind of get a little shape. Get those edges a little shape. That's it. That's all. So you don't have to melt it down. But I want you to pay attention to how good it looks glueless. And then just imagine how fly it would be if you decide to melt. You don't have to, okay? Again, you don't have to take it to the place, okay? But I'm just saying, you know, I know y'all want glueless, so I'm gonna show you glueless. But baby, sometimes stuff looks so good glueless, it makes me want to melt it. It's just it, and that's just all. But here's why I cut this wig. It's very long, first of all. Not only is it long, but below those beautiful waves, there's this section of kind of straight. It's got a little wispy bump to it, but it's just, to me, it's just unnecessary. It's just adding more length. And I know a lot of y'all, and myself included, we don't even need all that unless there's a purpose for the length. So, you know, you kind of lose that wave at the bottom. So I was just like, well, I don't need that extra length there just to be there. You see what I'm saying? Some of y'all looking at somebody's face right now. You just looked over at somebody who there just to be there. I don't know who needed it, but getting back to the wig, you don't want it just there just to be there, baby. Let it serve a purpose, big baby. Otherwise, what you there for? So I just went on and cut it. Now, there are so many different ways that you can cut the hair. If you pull it to the front, both sides to the front like I did, that means it's going to fall longer in the back, okay? If you pull it to the back and then you cut it, like if you pull it in a low ponytail in the back's going to be shorter, the front's going to be longer. Just depends on which way you want to go. I wanted my front to be shorter and my back to be longer, so I pulled the ponytail in the front of me rather than the back of me. And I hope that makes sense. Okay? I'm not sure if it did or not, but I think it did. Now, this wig also has combs. It has an adjustable strap. It has silicone lining. It's very secure. You could shout in this, you can dance, you can go to club such and such, you can go to class, you can go to your Zoom meetings, bam, pop it on, you can do all the things. You can run up there to Publix, get your bananas. It just really depends on what you have to do for the day. Or you can sit in the house and be fly. Sometimes I do that. I be wanting my man to see me fly sometimes. Yeah, I ain't lying. I just get all done up and just walk downstairs just to do it. Yep. I most certainly do. I love it. Yes, I love when my husband get to popping off about me, child. Yes, I get rowdy. Now, this right here is a lip plump. I've been trying the different shades. This is a cherry shade. Now, some of y'all may be like, girl, you have lips, and I know I do. So that's why I was like, well, let me just see, because I had seen some people trying it who already have, voluptuous lips, and it kind of made it made that shine just like really pop on their lips. So I said, ooh, let me go ahead and baby, I ain't saying it's something that I would use every day just cause I got a little set on me, but honey, when I was taking the pictures and stuff, I was like, okay then, okay, I get it, I understand it. But back to the wig, middle part, side part, updo or not. Either way, this wig is hot. It is, y'all. I had so much fun with this wig and I cannot wait to try the other ones. Let me know which bare lace wig I should try. I've already tried their bobs. Oh my goodness. Now the bobs that I've tried are not the full lace, but I'm on the full lace here right now. So let me know which one I need to try next, because yes, y'all. Peace, love, light.